G'day guys, welcome back to All Brand Caravans. Look, today we're just going to dabble a little bit into the solar area. Basically, if you need like a solar installation or an upgrade, we can actually do it for you. Depending on what you need, or depending on what you have in your van, is basically depending on how much solar you're going to need in your van. Now, a lot of people normally can fit roughly about 2 to 3 solar panels on your van. And that's really going to depend on your regulator as well, depending on how much solar you put on there. Now, the reason why people put so much solar on the top of their van is because they would like to free camp as long as possible. So in relation to that, keep in mind that when you're out free camping, you've got to put a certain amount of amps back into your battery within a window frame, basically when the sun's basically at its strongest. So it's normally between 9 and 4 o'clock. And that's pretty much the prime time where you're going to get maximum amount of efficiency back into your battery. So the reason people put their solar onto their roof is because normally if you have a compressor fridge, you've got a compressor fridge running for roughly about 20 hours throughout the day, and that normally draws somewhere between 5 amps to around 10 amps depending on your compressor fridge. Now if you decide to go down that road, look, you can give us a call or send us a message in relation to that, and we'll be happy to help you out. There is a lot of range of solars out there and solar regulators. You've got your MPPT regulators as well, which you get a little bit more out of your solar panels as well in relation to that. But if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below or give us a call. Thanks.